Join me as I tackle the challenge of building a wealthy retirement using a SEP IRA specifically designed for entrepreneurs. As an entrepreneur, you're likely no stranger to hard work and dedication, but when it comes to planning for your financial future, it can be tough to know where to start. You might have a great month followed by a lean one. You might think, I'll get to retirement planning eventually, but eventually often turns into never. And before you know it, you're closer to retirement age than you'd like to be, with little to no savings set aside. By setting up a SEP IRA, you can take control of your financial future and make sure you are on track to meet your retirement goals. This makes it tough to commit to a regular retirement savings plan. Another challenge is the lack of employer-sponsored plans. You'll also need to have a certain level of income to qualify. That means you won't pay taxes on the investment earnings until you withdraw the funds in retirement. But for many entrepreneurs, a SEP IRA is a great option because it's relatively easy to set up and administer. Unlike employees who might have access to a 401k or other retirement plans through their company, entrepreneurs have to take matters into their own hands. That is where SEP IRA comes in, a powerful tool that can help you build a wealthy retirement. She knew she needed to start thinking about retirement, but she wasn't sure where to start. And if you're looking for more strategies to help you achieve financial freedom, be sure to check out my other videos. By taking advantage of the high contribution limits, tax benefits, and ease of use, you can take control of your financial future. After doing some research, she decided to set up a SEP IRA. She contributes a portion of her income each month and has been able to grow her retirement savings significantly. Entrepreneurs often face unique challenges when planning for retirement. One of the biggest hurdles is inconsistent income. By taking advantage of the high contribution limits and tax benefits, she's able to build a wealthy retirement. This can be overwhelming, especially when you're juggling the demands of running a business. She's on track to retire comfortably, and it's all thanks to her SEP IRA. The good news is that there's a solution that can help. A SEP IRA, or Simplified Employee Pension Individual Retirement Account, is a type of retirement plan that allows self-employed individuals and small business owners to make tax-deductible contributions to their own retirement accounts. You can contribute up to 20% of your net earnings from self-employment, up to a maximum of $57,000 in 2023. Contributions are tax-deductible, which means you can lower your taxable income for the year, and you'll pay taxes on the withdrawals in retirement. As an entrepreneur, you wear many hats, but planning for retirement shouldn't be one of the things you put off. So how does SEP IRA work? For starters, contribution limits are pretty high. To be eligible for SEP IRA, you'll need to be self-employed or own a business with a few employees. The tax benefits are pretty significant too. Not only can you deduct your contributions from your taxable income, but you'll also be able to grow your savings tax-deferred. Let's talk about a real-life example. Meet Sarah, a freelance writer who started her own business a few years ago. Sarah's story is a great example of how a SEP IRA can be a game-changer for entrepreneurs. In just a few short years, Sarah has been able to accumulate a significant amount of wealth. The bottom line is that a SEP IRA is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs who want to build a wealthy retirement. Thanks for watching. If you've got thoughts on retirement planning or questions about SEP IRAs, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below.